Yeah.
Okay. I could just flip the bike. We missed that one. Sorry, that one didn't get on camera. You're such a bitch. You're so stupid. But this is a very tragic event. Okay.
I'm so worried.
This is a very tragic event. It's like the news. I don't know. So we don't forget about this day? It's very tragic. She is like there's a pin up her butt.
What hurt? I was having to my pocket and it's all in my butt.
What?
What? Butt.
Which side, Erica?
In your butthole? I don't see a pin in your butt. There's no blood. You're not silly girl. Oh, am I supposed to tell you? No.
Aww.
In there. I wonder if I can pick it up.
I dare you to try.